The first bite. What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to another video. I was gonna say episode because I just filmed a podcast, but video on Tube of the U with me. Today we have a quick, easy, healthy dinner. It's actually coming straight out of the cookbook that I'm coming out with soon. I don't want to give you too much details, but there's 119 low sugar, low carb, low calorie meals in there, and meal plans, all kinds of good stuff in there. Coming soon. Keep an eye on my Instagram for that one. But this recipe is bison sliders, so sweet potato bison sliders. We're going to use the sweet potato as the bun. We're going to use asparagus as asparagus. It's going to be on the side, super easy. Using the oven, we got it preheating at 375 right now. Show you how we get going with this and show you one of my meals. Make enough for tonight and tomorrow for a healthy lunch. Quick hack of the day. And before we get into it, don't forget, like this video for me, please. Don't forget to comment. Tell me if you want to see more recipes, any more content like this. I enjoy cooking. It's kind of meditative, so I'm going to take you on my journey with me. If you haven't seen that steak video, it was a long time ago. But anyways, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the, I don't know if it's in that corner or that corner, whatever, the bell icon. Turn on the notifications. Every time I post, you'll be the first one to see. That said, let's get right into it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, we're just going to get these pans ready. Get your oven preheated to 375. Lay some foil down. I know there's some controversy around foil, but do as you please. I like to use foil, so my pans are way easier to clean. We're just going to take that there, go a little avocado oil, a little dash, boom. Oil up the pan. Now we're going to take the asparagus, cut the ends, throw them on there, drizzle them up with some olive oil and some coconut aminos, salt, pepper, and those will be good to go. And of course I ran out of avocado oil. So we've got coconut oil and I think it just works just as good. And it's a little bit healthier. The fats are a little bit higher, so we're gonna use coconut oil. Boom, so we got the, the coconut aminos going. The oven is ready. Just kind of mixing all this in together. Then we're going to take the salt and pepper on top. Spread them out, give them some nice room to have some fun in the oven. And boom. Here we go. And next we're going to wash a sweet potato. If you're going to shop for these, make sure you get a nice long one, you know, sweet potatoes. Yep. And then we're going to cut the ends off, boom. Boom. Actually, that's not where we want to put those, in the mixing bowl. So, wait, this actually might not be good. I'm actually really nervous. Oh, it's totally fine. So, maybe I got a couple bad ends, but yeah, we're just going to throw that one away, that side. So, anyways, we're going to take these and cut them into nice little slivers, about half an inch, maybe even a millimeter. So they make nice little slices. We're going to toss those in our mixing bowl as we go. Just so you see how thinly sliced these are. Now that we have these sliced, we're going to take them, put them in a mixing bowl. Boom, that's going to make a lot of sliders. We are going to drizzle this in olive oil all the way around. Give it a good amount, probably 2 tablespoons. I am out of avocado oil, so that's as much as I got. Give them a nice little toss, scoop them around in there, get them all lathered up, nice and oiled up. Oh geez, too oiled, LOL. Now we're gonna take them, we're gonna dump them on our pan. Don't miss. Make sure they are not all stacked up on top of each other. Wow, this video is getting a little aggressive. So, get them off of each other and spread them out just so that they can cook evenly. They're not all crazy bunched in. Spread them out, here we go. And it will look a little something like so. So next we're gonna take our salt and pepper. We're gonna salt and pepper these bad boys. Remember your pan is already oiled just a hair on the bottom. Get some salt and pepper to taste. Then we're going to sprinkle some cinnamon evenly across the board. This is the key right here. Get those puppies nice and sweet, as if they're not already sweet potatoes. Ha 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 ha. And then, to make your honey sweet, your sweet honey. Alright, that was a bad joke. We're gonna drizzle just a tad, the slightest bit on each one. Not on each one, just kind of go in a little zigzag to make these nice and yummy. And add a little extra sugar. Not the worst sugar. Alright, now that we are done with the veggie portion, basically our buns and our asparagus, we're gonna set these aside, and actually, that's gonna be considered a side, because I'm gonna mix my patties over here. So we're gonna mix our patties, we're gonna prep the patties. I don't wanna put these in yet, quite frankly, because I need to go take a shower, because I wanna walk. Wash my hands, I did wash my hands, I promise. But, let's mix your patties. Alright, so first you just wanna get your ground beef meat in the bowl. Oh wow, that came out a lot quicker than I thought it would. I'm telling you, this video could be a not so nice video. The commentary is just, I'm not meaning to do it on purpose, I promise. Anyways, so we got our meat in there. I am using the same bowl because there's got a little leftover oil in there, which is gonna help these things stick together. Now that our meat is in there, we're gonna use our spices, which you can't see all of them, so I'm gonna zoom out. All right, so for our spices, we're gonna go a little Kinder's wood-fired garlic, Kinder's Santa Maria, and then we're gonna go ground turmeric because I love turmeric for anti-inflammatory purposes. And then cayenne pepper just to give it a little kick. So like I said, just to taste, a little bit of there, a little bit in here. Just imagine this as one big patty for now, as if you're doing both sides. So just a little on each. I don't know why I'm putting the tops back on. Boom. We're gonna mix all that together and do the same thing on the other side. And then I'll show you what they look like. And obviously it's really not gonna look that much different other than, hey, it's ground meat with your spices in it. Also, if you want this to mix together a little bit better, try cracking an egg in there. If you're dairy free, then this is easy. They stick together pretty well, but let's get them together. All right, so I basically just want you to take a spoon, get a good little scoop in there, take them, and we're just gonna make little patties. You can pat them in together, make sure they're compact. Get them around in circles right here, just make little patties. And then plate. Keep repeating that process till the bison or beef, whatever you want to use. Bison is a little bit more lean. So I like ground bison, I like ground turkey. Haven't tried those with burgers though. So we're gonna do this, fill up a plate with our lean, mean little bison machines. And here is what they're gonna look like. Obviously, make them as big as you want. Keep in mind how big the buns are, but here we go. Let's put these babies on. So I just said let's put these babies on, but we're gonna put these babies in. Asparagus is gonna go in for about 15 to 20 minutes, so you can, until you can stick a fork in it, like I should do when I'm talking too much. Or, wow. That was kind of on purpose. Anyways, sweet potatoes, we're going in. Those are gonna be 20 to 25 minutes. Also, stick a fork in them, it should just go smooth right through. Or a little crispy, because they're gonna be a bun. So, let's throw these in. And I'm gonna take a shower. All right, I'm back. I'm back with a pan and grass-fed butter. I'm gonna cook these with the grass-fed butter instead of oil. I like the grass-fed route. A little healthier for you, coming straight from the pasture. And the pan, because of course, you need something to cook them in. So, butter your pan. Lay them on there. We're gonna go about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. See how they turn out. Hope they don't smoke out the place. Let's do it. Oh, also, as you notice, I changed shorts because I showered. Both went from an awesome short to another awesome short. They're from my good friends over here at Leisure Lab in LA. Check them out. Maybe I'll leave a little code for you. But some of my favorite shorts. Really nice quality and comfy, cozy cooking. Alright, so after the first flip, they're going to be a little juicy, so give them a little more love, throw some salt and pepper on there, drain the liquid, then get back to it. Drained, salted, peppered. It's time to take these bad boys out. So as I said, stick a fork in it. See how it just falls right off? Falls right off. Boom. I'm going to plate these suckers up, get them ready for those guys to be done. Here we go. Flip those. You notice the brown on one side. Flip those one more time. Make sure they're cooked through. Here's your buns. Plate these up. Obviously, I'm probably going to eat that tinfoil. Final step. Here we go. Also, if you want anything for your toppings, feel free to add avocados, tomatoes, whatever you want. So we're going to start with, you know, I'm not 245 pounds, 35 pounds or anything, so let's start with 6. Right? How come? Because I'm fat. Just kidding. Here we go. So, actually that's definitely 6. And voila! Place those bad boys on top. And you got yourself a burger. And here we are with the final product. The first bite. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. With a little sogginess, kinda, a little crisp on the potatoes. Perfectly cooked burger. It's all kind of in the spices too. Make these with ground bison, ground beef, ground turkey, whatever. Like I said, I haven't tried the ground turkey or ground chicken. However you want to make it. Super easy. It took me all of like 20 minutes of cook time. Prep time was 10 minutes. 30 minutes total. I'm going to swallow my food. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like. Don't forget to comment. Maybe if you want to see more recipes like this, coming from the 119 Recipe Cookbook, let me know. I'd be happy to put them out there. I enjoy cooking and filming. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the bell. Like I said, I don't know what corner right here, but touch it, click it. Touch it, that's kind of on par with this video. Click it, get all my videos, be the first one, and I will see you next time on the Tube of the U with me. Have an awesome freaky day, and don't forget to smile.